in front of you, we are here to present I Shall Have Other Birthdays.
Tao po. Tao po.
Oh, good morning, Doña Achar. Won't you come in?
Are you Emilio?
Yes, have a seat, please. What can I do for you?
Where is Pamoy?
Nanay, she went out to aling extra.
So I see. Emilio, I heard you should be happy.
Indeed, I am, Doña Achar. Tomorrow is my birthday and my mother to buy me a new camisa.
That's a very good news, Emilio. Please tell mother other class.
Yes, Doña Achar, I will.
Dear Emilio, please speak to the teacher that you very sure now.
Yes, Nanay. By the way, Nanay, Doña Achar came this morning, but she left. Yes, what mother? What is the matter? You're going to the play. Go on.
Good morning. Pamoy, I think it is. Oh, yes. Well, Pamoy, this is the third week that failed to pay with the interest the plan as a loan use. Oh, yes. I know. So that's true. You see, I don't know the money yet. Don't not try. But wait out for Christmas. I need the money myself. Perhaps, besides, wait after me, we promise to stay with them, but nothing has come out of your promises. Why not try? As you see, his clothes are tattered, and his hair is long. Can you keep moving? Well, you're late. We don't know how to pay. Not sure.
Doña Achar, we borrowed because we were rich. But it does not mean that we have been so that even our own home. Nanay, please give to Doña Achar the money and let her find it.
I will come after Christmas.
Don't cry, Nanay. I will find work and soon you shall pay all your debt. Don't let that worry, Nanay. I shall have other birthdays.